The Net Terms Manager is your credit desk. Everything else in the app flows from this page. Every customer from your store is listed here, one row each: status, actions, credit limit, what they owe, and what they have available, with search up top for bigger lists. A green chip means approved for terms. Gray inactive means a normal customer. And if an invoice ever goes overdue, the app suspends that customer automatically. An amber chip and a reinstate button appear right in this row. Let's approve someone. The term menu gives you 3 choices: Net 15, Net 30, and Net 60. We'll pick Net 60 and click Approve. Done. A green chip and a default limit of $2,500. Type your own number and hit Save. Available recalculates instantly. Terms aren't permanent either. Same menu, pick Net 30 instead, click Change. The chip updates on the spot, limit and balance untouched. And to pull credit entirely, revoke. It takes effect immediately, no confirmation step, straight back to inactive. One more thing on this page. Look at Jenny's row. She just placed a $700 order on terms, and her owed went up while her available came down automatically the moment she checked out. And what about cancellations? Let's test it. Over in Shopify's orders, here's that same order, right at the top: payment pending, placed on net terms. We'll cancel it the normal Shopify way. More actions: cancel order, confirm, canceled and voided. Now back in the manager, and look, owed and available are right back where they started. The app keeps your books right in both directions, and nobody typed a thing.